Hartford's Bulkley High School has come under the microscope, and that's nationally, for the misuse of funds for its renovation. I'd like to ask, and I have the answer, what deserves $100 million for a building renovation in the first place? Or even half that? A high school that's in place, standing, not falling down, is almost always adequate with no more than a couple $1,000,000 to add science laboratories that might be missing, maybe some conveniences, minor ones, but a school that is housing hundreds of kids, not falling down, need not have such a big expense. How do I know this? Because in the very same Hartford, Connecticut, I witnessed an elementary school grow from scratch. They started, it was close to trailers. That was 19, 20 years ago. And they got themselves a building about a decade ago. I don't think they spent more than $5 million. And now the Breakthrough Magnet School is a gem. It is an example of what all urban schools should aspire to. Good teachers with kids who want to learn. That's the elements that make for a great school. It's not cafeterias or gyms or some tricked out classrooms. Schooling should be at the basics because, look, that's how kids progress in the first place. Now, why is Bulkley, and to even greater extent, the very newly renovated Weaver on the other side of Hartford, why are they not ranked as highly rated schools? It's because administrators don't let teachers teach the basics. And with it, many students get diverted into thoughts of, why do I even need to learn the basics? Why do I even need to stay in school at all? I'm more tempted by jobs, so I quit early. I might even be more tempted by street stuff, so I drop out. When students have a high purpose, they almost certainly excel to meet it. And teachers are not to blame if their administrators are letting goofball purposes come into the curriculum. Now, that's happening throughout Connecticut, but I think you end up in suburban towns with more vehement parents who rightly object when administrators try to take things in a wayward direction. I think Hartford parents are too respectful of government institutions to be as in your face as I wish they should be. Indeed, it's Hartford kids who probably need structure more than most because opportunities don't come as easily for urban kids as suburban. So to have them rise, or worse, the other end, to have them stifled, is a crying shame. I'll get into more of wayward administration in the next video.